Welcome to Janus Corporation's Injury and Illness Hand and Power Tool Safety Training. Hand and Power Tool Safety, Basic Requirements. Portable power tools such as drills, sanders and saws must be either grounded or double insulated. Electrical cords must be protected, don't let the tool damage the cord. Per Janus policy, damaged cord insulation cannot be repaired and must be replaced. Circular saws must be guarded. Cords and hoses must not be used to lower tools. Electrical cords must be kept in good working order. Keep the tool clean. Maintenance properly and sharp. Maintenance inspection and storage. Maintain power tools as per the manufacturer's instructions. Inspect tools daily and look for broken or loose parts. Remove damaged or defective tools from service and tag them for repair. Check pneumatic and hydraulic hoses and electrical cords on tools for damage. Only use tools in good working order. Clean tools at end of use before removal from containment and before returning to shop, even if not used within containment. Store clean tools in dry, secure location. General tool safety. Only use tools on stable work surfaces. Carry tools with sharp parts pointed downwards and away from your body. Do not carry tools by their cord. Do not use hoses or electric cords for hoisting or lowering tools. Protect cords from accidental damage, i.e. avoid passing cords through doorways or other pinch points and keep out of the path of saws. Unplug power tools by pulling on the plug, not the power cord. Do not stand on wet, slippery, uneven or cluttered surfaces when operating tools. Guarding. Use guards to protect fingers, hands and other body parts from contact with dangerous moving parts, sharp points, flying materials or sparks. Do not modify, remove or bypass guards. Replace and test guards after maintenance. Do not operate a machine if the guard is missing or not working correctly. Power tool safety. Never change blades or make adjustments to power tools when plugged in, running or coasting. Before carrying or transporting tools, make sure blades and other moving parts are completely stopped, switches are turned off and the tool is unplugged. When restarting the power tool, make sure the switch is in the off position before plugging it in. Before cutting, drilling, grinding or otherwise impacting wood with a power tool, inspect the wood for nails, screws, staples, nuts or irregularities. Always cut or drill away from your body. Power tool safety continued. Ensure all electrical receptacles are properly grounded and tool is either double insulated or plugged into a ground fault circuit interrupter. Make sure all electrical tools used are either grounded or double insulated. In wet areas, keep the power cord clear of wet surfaces or use a ground fault circuit interrupter. Provide appropriate PPE, for example hard hats, safety glasses, gloves and respirators, for the tasks being performed. Use appropriate hearing protection when noise exceeds 90 decibels. Ensure that work areas are well lit. Hand and power tool safety continued. Hand and power tools that are properly maintained work best and last longer. Clean tools work most efficiently. Tools should be cleaned before they leave containment. Do not dunk power tools underwater. Clean them with wet towels. Assure power tools are completely dry before using. A few more things. Return all tools used in the field to the shop in proper working order or labeled as damaged, do not use. Return all tools in the toolbox in which the tool was checked out, with a note describing the lack of any accessories or supplies no longer in the case. All power saws and grinders must be properly guarded when in use. PPE includes hand and eye protection when using power tools. Never change blades, grinding plates or other components of a power tool while the tool is plugged in. All hand and power tools must be clean before they are removed from containment and stored on site or returned to the shop, keeping tools sharp. Sharp tools make clean, even cuts. Dull cutting tools can break materials unevenly and make a ragged cut. Sharp blades cut faster. Dull blades take longer to cut or chip a material. Sharp tools require less force to make a cut, which reduces the chance of injury and reduces severity of injury in the event an accident happens. Dull blades require more force to make a cut, make ragged cuts which hurt more, bleed more and make uglier scars when accidents happen. Wounds from dull blades take much longer to heal. Things to remember. Return all tools used in the field to the shop in proper working order or labeled as damaged do not use. Return all tools in the toolbox in which the tool was checked out, with a note describing the lack of any accessories or supplies no longer in the case. All saws and grinders and other power tools must be properly guarded when in use. PPE includes hand and eye protection when using power tools. Never change blades, grinding plates or other components of a power tool while the tool is plugged in. All hand and power tools must be cleaned before they are removed from containment and stored on site or returned to the shop. Thank you for taking Janus Corporation's hand and power tool training. Please proceed to the quiz.